Hey everyone, it's Kivia. Thanks so much for coming back for another video. Welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we'll be decorating my front porch for fall. If you're interested, please keep watching. This footage was filmed back in April, May time frame. I can't remember the exact time I did this, but you can see I had my spring decor out there in the yard. Both flower beds were completely overgrown with weeds and just looked a hot mess. And it was definitely time for a refresh of the yard. I tried to maintain this area as much as possible, especially since first impression is everything, and if the outside look a mess, they probably looking like, okay, the inside of her house probably look a mess too. My husband cuts the grass. I'm not big on doing yard work, but I try to do the minimum to make it look presentable. This is present day. It could be better, but next year we'll put a little more work into outside. I don't have a green thumb, so we're going to make some faux mums. I found these flowers on Amazon. I'll link them down below. You're going to need a plant pot. I did find these earlier this year at Walmart, and you're going to need some foam board. So I just traced the top of my planter and cut off the excess, but you want that foam board to be able to sit inside, like directly at the top, so your flowers can sit up higher. I took my scissors and just started stabbing some holes in the foam board because that's where you want your flowers to sit at. And I went back and added some cardboard to the inside of the plant pot because the more flowers you put on here, the heavier it's going to be and your foam board is going to sink down. So I just wanted to add the cardboard for stability. I also went in with this artificial moss. I hate this stuff. It makes me itch and it makes so much mess. I should have did that part outside. I also decided to make a smaller one. I found the orange ones on Amazon as well. And I wanted to make two of these. That's why I had two planters, but I didn't have enough flowers and I didn't feel like ordering any more. So I just stuck with this one. I didn't add any moss to that one, but let's get into the decorate. As y'all can see, the sun had gone down. I was out here fighting for my life with the frogs and the mosquitoes, but I was determined to get this done. Let me know what y'all think down below. I love how everything turned out. I wanted to keep things simple, but still make sure it gave off that fall vibe. Majority of the decorations did come from Hobby Lobby. Those stackable pumpkins came from Five Below last year. I got the flag from Temu. The rugs came from Hobby Lobby, and you guys saw when I made the faux mums. I'll have those flowers listed down below if you are interested in buying those. Those small wreaths on the windows did come from Hobby Lobby. They're not the best looking, but it just gives a nice little touch of fall. I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on outside decor because things get messed up, so I just wanted to keep things really simple. I decided to go in with these lights as well. I love that they are color changing and it comes with the remote. I also have a app on my phone to be able to control it. So this company Lumery sent these out to me to test them out. And I really do love them. I was able to put them in the flower bed because they are electrical and I had to plug them up. And with them being in this black flower bed, I was able to hide all of those cords. So that worked out great. Y'all, this no soliciting sign came today as well, so we'll be putting this in the yard. This comes with the stakes. Yes, it is that serious because they have to get to the door in order to see the one that we currently have on there. So I don't even want them coming up to the house at all. So I'll put this in a yard and hopefully they get the point. And also, I had purchased another flag because I forgot about the one that I had ordered from Temu already, but I'll probably add this one to the other part of the yard. I just need to get another one of those garden flag holders. And I did purchase some pillow covers for the back porch. Whenever I decide to decorate that, I'm waiting on my husband to pressure wash the back. We have to do the house in sections since it's so big, but yes, I'll take these out the pack so y'all can see exactly how these look. That's going to be it for today's video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below and hit that like button. The engagement really helps out my channel a lot. I really want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I've been getting multiple a day, so welcome. I really appreciate you. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends. Take care.